With FlyWP, migrating your WordPress site to a new server is simple and fast. Let's walk through the steps together. First, go to the server where you want to migrate your site. You'll see a new button called Migrate. Click on it to get started. On this page, enter the URL of the WordPress site you want to migrate into FlyWP. This tells FlyWP where to pull your existing site from. Once you've entered the site URL, the Connect to WordPress button will light up. Click on it to continue. You'll be redirected to your existing WordPress site. Here, FlyWP will request permission to install its migration plugin automatically. This plugin safely transfers your site. Log in to your WordPress site. Then you'll see a screen asking to approve the connection. Click Yes. I approve to allow FlyWP to access your site for migration. After approving, you'll be redirected back to FlyWP. You'll see that your site is ready for migration. Click Next to continue. Now, set up your new site details just like you would when creating a new site in FlyWP. Enter the domain you want the migrated site to use. On the next page, choose your PHP version and other settings. For best compatibility, it's a good idea to match the PHP version you used on your old site. On the final page, review your migration details. If everything looks good, click Migrate Site to start the process. FlyWP will first set up a basic site to migrate your content into. You'll then see the Migrating Site page, showing the progress of your site migration. Migration time depends on your site size. If it seems stuck for too long, don't worry, you can always try again. Once the migration is complete, you'll be redirected to the Sites page inside FlyWP. Congratulations! Your site has been successfully migrated to FlyWP. You can now test it out to make sure everything works perfectly. Alternatively, you can manually migrate your site by following the step-by-step guide in the FlyWP documentation. Need more help? Visit our website or contact our support team anytime.